everyone, welcome to today's video. So as you already know, we're opening up Vellabox. If you don't know what Vellabox is though, it's a candle subscription, a monthly candle subscription. They have a few different subscription options. I'm opening up the Vivere box today, the $30 box. I do have a link and a code with Vellabox I will leave in the description box, and this code will save you $5 off any of the subscription plans. I highly recommend this box. I love it. I've been getting it a while. All of the candles you get come from local artisans in the United States. They're all made in small batches, hand poured, and most importantly, they smell great. The burn time's great. They're free of any icky stuff, so you don't have to worry about like toxins coming from your candles, which I didn't even know was a thing until a while back. You don't have to worry about that with Vellabox. They're very eco-friendly too. Okay, yeah, I think I got all of it. Luxury scents, natural ingredients, elevated design, eco-friendly packaging. And they are all about recycling, and they talk a lot about reusing their the candles, like the glass, when you're done. All of the candles always come in a canvas bag, and there's always an extra item in all of the subscription plans, and also a Spotify playlist. Usually, I don't know if I see it on this one. This is New Day, Clean Slate, Fresh Perspective. So you can take this off and hang it up. It's always so beautiful. I honestly really love the aesthetic of Vellabox. And look how cute this is. I always save these and repurpose them. Like maybe I'll send like something that sells in Mercari or like giveaway or gift or to my family, whatever it is. But super cute. Ooh, what is that? That looks really cute. I'm going to set it aside for now. Oh my god, I'm really digging it. Hold on. Okay, where's that? Oh, I dig it even more now that I know what it is exactly. Let's start with the candle though. So where are our candles from? This, I have to put it by my head for reading. By my head, by my face. Okay, Sea of Roses is the featured candle maker. So they feature a new small business every single month. Sea of Roses founder Heather Smith is a florist, style maker, and overall creative. She has an extensive background including visual merchandising, photography, and accessory design for TV, print. However, in her most recent season of life, she is prioritizing building her small business while maintaining a healthy work-life balance. Very much in line with this month's theme, we'd say. Awesome. So Sea of Roses also has floral, ceramics, prints, and other apothecary items. And there's a code here, Vella, for 15% off, and their website is seaofroses.com. So I didn't mention that when you sign up for Vellabox, you can fill out a scent profile, so you let them know what scent you like, what you don't like, and you can update that every time. So I received the floral and sweet and spice category, so this candle will be agave. So there's like woodsy, sweet and floral, I forget like the other ones are. There's at least 4 different types of scent families. This is what the labeling looks like. Agave. The notes of cactus, sea salt, and jasmine. Oh my god. I can't wait to sniff this. 16 ounces. And they're based out of Portland. Oh yeah, I'm so excited. This sounds lovely. Let me take a whiff. Oh my god, it smells so good. Oh, so I'm going to hold this, or I'll just set it down this time. And I'm going to read the scent description, and you can just pretend, since there's no smell-o-vision, that you're sniffing this. So let's see what they say. We already talked about the notes, but it's cactus flower, sea salt, jasmine, and honeysuckle. A blend of agave and cactus flower with a hint of honey at the end. A lovely fragrance to enjoy with the spring season and warmer weather. Oh my god, I need to sniff again. Smells so good. So I don't think I mentioned this. This one was sent to me in PR, but I also have a paid version, and I usually get a different candle like every time. It works out that way. So I think I'm probably going to get in the woodsy family next time. So definitely make sure you're subscribed and have notifications on, and you will see my second candle I get sometime this month. You guys, I can't stop sniffing it. It smells so freaking good. And perfect for spring too. Okay, one more. When I said that it was 444 on the clock, cool. Okay, but now let's look at our surprise item. A macrame plant hangers. This is made by Vellabox, $12 value. You guys, I freaking love this color. Green is my color. I said it's my color of the year, but it's also just my favorite color. I love green everything. This is so cute. I love this, and I have a lot of plants. So you can see like how it looks there. You place the planter inside that, and it hangs. Add freshness and new life to your home this for spring. This macrame plant hanger is designed to hold a potted plant in its center and be hung from a ceiling or other sturdy structure. A charming addition to any indoor space with light, think kitchen, bathroom, sunroom, etc. Ideal for smaller pots with 8 to 10 inch diameter. Oh, and there's a reuse tip. An 8 or 16 ounce candle jar fits securely in the plant hanger. Once you burn through your candle, clean out the jar and repurpose for small plants like succulents. I love that. Isn't it awesome they give us tips? And oh, here's the playlist. It's right on here. Nice. The playlist is Clean Slate, curated by Vellabox, specially curated just for the April Vellabox. This month it's all about fresh starts, new opportunities, and a clear mindset. Listen and burn for the ultimate vibe. You guys, I need to do this. I'm like the only person in the world that doesn't have Spotify. I know it's just like a click away, but I'm going to leave this out. This is actually nice they put it on this sheet, so if I like keep this to refer to, you know, it's easy to find. Not like it was that hard on the other one, but it's nice all the info is all together. But that was everything, you guys. I even love how this has the green on it. So we got our agave candle. It smells so good. Okay, one more. Oh my god, I love it. I actually have a Vellabox, the one I got last month, white tea and ginger burning behind me on my altar right now. Smells so good in here, always. Thank you to Vellabox. But I love everything, you guys. The candle smells great. I love this so much. I'm thinking about what I'm going to hang. I have pretty high ceilings, so I might need to have some help. I'm kind of friends with the maintenance guys. They come here. Well, they did like after the hurricane a lot. And I need to get some lights replaced too, so maybe I'll ask them to hang something for me by the window, and I'll have to show you guys once that is done. Yeah, I love this box. This is one of my favorite months, like especially when you take into consideration the surprise item. I would love to know your thoughts down below. Again, I will link Vellabox along with that code to save $5 off your first month. Let me know what you think. Did you guys get Vellabox? What kind did you get? I'm sorry, I can't remember all the scent categories right now. I had a lot of fun for like 10 days, and I feel like I went a little brain dead. Well, not completely, but yeah, you know how it is. Fun family time. But that's it for today, guys. I love you so much. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video, leave a comment, and I hope that means I will see you in the next video. I love you so, so much. Bye.